gym. So before, na siya iyang own gym somewhere in Mactan. And then na-discuss me about getting fighters, recognition, audience, and platform na makahatag sa ilaha o time to showcase sa ilaha skills. So diyan siya nagsugod. And eventually, nagtukog-tug ang own gym. And then, diyan na, nagsugod ang event. So, nag-plan May, and na event is coming May 31st sa Baguio Beach, dito sa Lapu-Lapu. Wala na siya ang venue. So, ang goal, simple, plain and simple. Ginahan may makahatag o platform sa mga fighters na wala nagagasaktong ang platform.
Asa din yung headquarters mo?
Right now, divided na naman gym. So, Sia is from Lapu-Lapu Striker, ako from Cebu Fighting Ground.
So how many fights tanan featured dan?
Around 25 at least.
25.
25 bouts.
Pila ka disciplines ang kuha ninyo? Pila ka fights?
With the discipline, we have Yawian, which is mas encourage na ko nga i-push na itong Filipino martial arts. Although mas popular ang Muay Thai sa Guatanano, but I would rather push Filipino martial arts na mag-dominate na kanin. So we have the super kickboxing. This is basic mixed martial arts. So boxing, kickboxing, Yawian, and silat. And basically some striker dali kay grappler side. So isa sila mo showcase na tayo.
Ano sir? Sila? Bitsak sila?
Sila, Malaysian martial arts.
Mga bitsak sila sir?
Yes.
So what can the fight fans here in Cebu expect, Ani? Are they expecting kuan magud top quality martial arts action?
They should.
Yes, of course, because ever since I always provide good matches. If ever you know me, I always provide main event, co-main event sa lain-lain nga lugar like Manila, PCC, kay Coach Joe, kay Rene Catalan. Ako may magbutang yung mga fighter mostly dyan. And all of the fights, always quality good na siya, especially with the guidance of Mas Philippine.
Ano sa mga siya galing pakitbanin sa dahil part pa na sa mga?
Yes, part na siya and mauni siya ang pinaka-main event because Christian Villarmino is from Dipulo. His coach is under Master Riken before and this will be his last fight then mag-pro na siya para sa one. So Thailand na niya siya. So hopefully mahatagan na mo siya nindot nga laban before siya mag-pro level.
Si Divina Garcia?
Si Christian.
Si Christian Villarmino.
Divina will be his opponent.
So, gikuha siya sa one
Naana sila yung contract
sa
sa
one.
Thailand with his coach. And before that, nakita lang sila o quality pa yun yung fight before dito sila.
Muay Thai.
Muay Thai. Super Muay Thai.